Tough questions. I mean, simple questions, but tough to answer. But thank you, Kim, Sam, and Sophia, for that. Ngayon naman, punta po tayo kay Mr. John Arcilia. Wala po sa social media. Just based off the trailer alone, it seems
napunta siya doon sa dark side dahil sa kanyang mga decisions to protect all his loved ones. Ang pinaka-core actually ng kanyang character is yung pagmamahal niya sa wife. Na sobrang-sobra, gagawin niyang lahat. And then, nung magkaanak siya, gagawin niyang lahat para i-protect sila. Doon nagsimula yung kanyang crisis. O yung kanyang pagbagsak. So yun siguro yung kaibahan niya doon sa ibang ginawa.
Maraming salamat, Sir John. Diba?
And at saka actually, alam mo yung si Shasha kasi hindi. Ang sarap kasi niyang kasama sa eksena. Alam mo yung she's naturally, look at her, naturally diva, di ba? Yung elegante. Pero napaka bubbly sa behind the scenes. Sobrang magkukwento ng lahat ng bagay na kaya niya kwento. Hindi mo maiisip na si Yasha Padilla ganun ka. Yung rapport ninyo na tatrabaho na hindi niyo pinipilit, hindi puwersa. So, nakakagaan ng loob para magawa niyo yung lahat na hindi niyo pinipilit ng isa't isa. So, thank you for that also.
No, it's just really inspiring how hearing you talk about your co-actors and fangirl. Anyway, next question to Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different, and what made you say yes to this project?
Wala nga ako kanina. Joke. I always choose to work with people that I have worked with before, mixed with people I have not worked with before. Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pagka television series, you work long hours. You work for so long. And if you're not going to enjoy the work, if you're not going to be working with like-minded people, it's difficult. So when you get the chance to meet new people at work, and then still at the same time work with the people you've worked with before that you really enjoyed, bonus yun. Diba? The fact that people say na I've been around other projects that are so successful, it's also because of the people I work with. Diba? So, Dreamscape is there. I mean, the directors I have worked with before. Si Direk Onat kasama ko sa High Street. Si Direk Jojo, I've worked with her before also. Kimpa, I've worked with them before. This is my second time working with them, and when I heard that it's them, sabi ko, tara, game. Diba? And then the others, so it's a given. If you're working with the right people, you're working with people you can talk to, be comfortable with, and create with, sobrang dali ng trabaho, kahit mahirap siya.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ngayon naman po.
To Ms. Shasha Padilla, the question is, how do you feel doing a TV project? How do you prepare and adjust for your role? Again, the question was from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN.
Nika, wonderful question. Ano ba ako matagal na wala? Hindi ko na
Love by Woman.
Ay, di, meron din. Oo. So, nakaka-excite kasi pag sinabi pa lang sa'yo yung cast. Kay Kim pang third ko na ito na, so talagang very comfortable na ako. Kay Pao first time. But working with actors that I get to be with, not also, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito, artista ka, may mga characters kayo. Nasasayahan ako kasi kaya Direk Jojo, nakatrabaho ko na siya. Pero yan, first time na magagaling na direktor. Dahil ako always open to learning. Yun palagi kong iniisip. Kailangan meron ka matutunan dito, meron ka ma-take home. sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi, pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pinag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotions, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there. I'm not in touch with you, medyo method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So, sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So, napakadali din pala kapag...
Melby, how was it like taking up this kind of role in The Alibi?
Very different para sa akin. This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento. Yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters. Ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And now for Rafael, this is another chemistry is undeniable. Congratulations on your first teleserye, you guys. Really promising. Our last question.